Welcome to Smart Earnings. In this episode, we will be discussing financial results of Powergrid Corporation of India Limited for the second quarter financial year 2025. Company overview: Powergrid Corporation of India Limited is a Maharatna company and a leading player in the power transmission sector in India. With a robust infrastructure network that spans across 23 countries, the company is pivotal in supporting India's energy transition and the government's vision of a $5 trillion economy. Powergrid's operations include a vast transmission network, telecom services, and consultancy projects, positioning it as a key player in the energy sector. Financial performance: year-on-year metrics, sales, 11,277.8 crore rupees, a marginal increase of 0.1% year-over-year, indicating stable revenue generation amidst operational challenges. Operating profit: 9,701.3 crore rupees, down 2.1% year-over-year, reflecting increased operating expenses. Net profit: 3,793 crore rupees, slightly up by 0.3% year-over-year, showcasing resilience in profitability despite external pressures. Earnings per share: 4 rupees and 8 paise, marginally improved from 4 rupees and 6 paise in the previous year. Quarter-on-quarter metrics: sales increased by 12.0% from 10,068.2 crore rupees in Q1 FY25, driven by higher demand and operational efficiency. Operating profit grew by 10.9% from 8,744.1 crore rupees in the previous quarter, indicating improved operational performance. Net profit increased by 11.2% from 3,412.2 crore rupees in Q1 FY25, supported by operational efficiencies and cost management. Other financial insights: operating expenses rose by 16.0% year-over-year to 1,576.4 crore rupees, primarily due to inflationary pressures and increased project execution costs. Interest expense increased by 4.3% year-over-year to 2,441.1 crore rupees, reflecting higher borrowing costs. Other income decreased by 27.4% quarter-on-quarter to 568.2 crore rupees, impacted by lower returns from investments. Management insights: operational highlights: Powergrid has maintained a transmission system availability of over 99.80%, reflecting its commitment to operational excellence. The company successfully commissioned several high-capacity transformers and transmission lines, enhancing its infrastructure capabilities. Growth outlook: the management anticipates robust growth driven by India's energy transition, with a focus on renewable energy capacity expansion and infrastructure development. Key projects include HVDC links and interstate transmission projects, which are expected to significantly contribute to revenue growth in the coming years. Strategic initiatives: the company is actively pursuing new projects under the National Electricity Plan, which outlines significant investments in the power sector, including a projected 9.16 lakh rupees crore expenditure by 2032. Powergrid aims to increase its capital expenditure from 18,000 crore rupees in FY24 to 25 to over 20,000 crore rupees, focusing on both ongoing and new projects. Competitive context: Powergrid's strategic positioning as a leader in the power transmission sector is supported by its extensive project pipeline and operational efficiencies. The company is well placed to capitalize on the increasing demand for electricity and the government's push for renewable energy sources. Its competitive edge lies in its established infrastructure, strong financial metrics, and a proactive approach to project execution. Risks and mitigation: market risks. The company faces risks related to fluctuating tariffs in the tariff-based competitive bidding projects and potential regulatory changes. Execution risks: challenges in timely project execution and cost overruns could impact profitability. The management is focused on maintaining strict project timelines and cost management practices. Forward guidance and outlook: the management is optimistic about the future, projecting significant growth in capital expenditure and revenue generation driven by ongoing and upcoming projects. The focus will remain on enhancing operational efficiencies, expanding renewable energy capacity, and maintaining high service availability standards. The outlook for Powergrid remains positive, with expectations of strong financial performance in the upcoming quarters. Conclusion: Powergrid Corporation of India Limited continues to demonstrate resilience in its financial performance amidst a challenging environment. With a strong project pipeline and a commitment to operational excellence, the company is well positioned to leverage growth opportunities in the evolving energy landscape. Investors should monitor the company's progress in project execution and its ability to adapt to market dynamics as it strives to fulfill its strategic objectives. Thank you for watching Smart Earnings. If you found this analysis helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into earnings calls and financial results. See you in the next episode.